So 3 boxes of height 2 meters, 2.5 meters, 5 meters are stacked on top of each other. It says in part A, if each box was measured correct to the nearest centimeter, determine the greatest possible height. So if they have a measure, okay, corresponding to this, then it might not be exactly these measurements in terms of their heights, okay? It's been rounded to 2 meters, it's been rounded to 2.5, it's been rounded to 5 meters, because they've been measured to the nearest centimeter. First thing we need to do though with this question is get the units corresponding, right? Make them consistent, because they're talking here about to the nearest centimeter, and yet they give it to us in terms of meters. So we want to change this then into centimeters to sort of match up with this. So 2 meters, okay, will be 200 centimeters, yeah? Because don't forget, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 2 meters be 200 centimeters. 2.5 meters is 2.5 meters, so it'll be 250 centimeters there. And then 5 meters, well, there'll be 5 of these, so 500 centimeters. Okay. Now, with the accuracy, okay, that's been measured to, because it's measured to the nearest centimeter, whatever they've used, if it's a tape measure or rule or whatever, it's going up in centimeters, okay, because of this. And they've said, oh, it's actually 200, okay, that's what it's closest to, okay, on their scale, all right. But on their scale, because it's I said centimeters, it's going up in ones. So the one next to it will be 201, and the one before it will be 199. Yeah. Now, with then the possible values, it could be, okay, because they've rounded it to 200, it could be as much as halfway up there. Yeah, because if it's anywhere in here, then they effectively then would round it to 200, wouldn't they? Measured to the nearest centimeter. So anywhere here would mean it's 200 centimeters. So anything between 200 and 200.5. And then here then, anything above here would round to 200. So that would be 199.5. So this is the lowest it can be, and this is the greatest it can be. Now they're saying determine the greatest possible height. Well, the greatest possible height will occur if the box is at its highest, which is 200.5. Okay. The same then can be said then for the other two. So you can do a similar thing. You get 250.5 there and 500.5 here. So all you've got to do then is add these up. Let's use our calculator. Okay. So we get 951.5 centimeters. Okay.